Hey fellow creators, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into the heart of your YouTube journey, your audience. I'll walk you through the complex process of checking audience insights with YouTube Studio. Understanding who's watching is key to tailoring your content and building a community. Let's dive into the details. Start by opening YouTube Studio on your mobile phone. By opening the page in the lower part of the screen, click on the Analytics option, and then on the New page, you will click on the audience at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a wealth of information: demographics, geography, and even the devices your audience uses. They will also have some more information about who they are. When your audience is active and at what time, where can help you regarding the time period of releasing your videos. You can also see from how many years to how many years old people look at you the most. Then, as for gender, is it male or female more popular? There is also geography, where you can see where your videos are most popular. Then you can see which translation language is used the most while watching your video. The following information refers to how many followers are watching your videos, whether they are new or old. Then you can see what your followers are searching for and who they follow from other performers. Understanding your viewers at this level is invaluable. And here it is. You have successfully verified audience insight in YouTube Studio. Now armed with this knowledge, you can create content that will resonate with your viewers. If you found this guide detailed and useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to understanding your audience like never before.